How to remove a stuck brake rotor. This is on a Ram 1500. First you take your caliper off. I have it tied up here so it doesn't get in the way. Then you take off this big mount here with these two big 21mm bolts back there. I sprayed them down with PB Blaster last night. And I found out on the other side, I can't get this off. This must be original. I hammered, I sprayed it with this stuff. I used the rubber mallet, I used the sledgehammer, I heated it with a torch, the other side. And then I went and I got this tool, a wheel puller. If I can find it, it's back there.
Right here.
So I went and got this 5-ton 3-jaw hydraulic gear puller, and it goes all different sizes, and I was hoping it would get wide enough because they didn't even have the tool to pull this. You know how they rent tools at Advanced Auto? They didn't have anything like this, and they said it would take a long time to order it. So I got this. See how that got that dimple in there? It's got a point here. Put that there. Put that there. We got the other one off. And it was hard. I used my, this is hydraulic, it's like a jack handle. And when it popped, it really popped. So adjust this, give yourself some play. Hook these behind here nicely. And all 3 of them. And then tighten this so they're snug. And get your jack handle. Comes with its own jack handle. Stand back. I ended up using my longer jack handle on the other side because it was so tight. Watch. Jack. Here, crack a little bit. Make sure these are in there good. Well, let's see. I don't know if that one's on there very good. Maybe good enough. Anyway, stand back. Move your sensitive items out of the way, if you have any, and jack. When it goes, it's gonna go. Oh, it's stuck. Oh, I didn't have it on good enough. Never mind for that one. Stop it, right? I use my bigger jack handle because I need more leverage. Careful. Tight. Yes! That's how you remove a stuck rotor.
I hope I got that and I didn't jump.
It's okay. It's okay. Man, and you know, that should just come right off. But these are original. They're about 9 years old. Okay.
That was loud.
Whew. You need one of them tools. Alright, thanks for watching.
That really saved the day.
Yeah. See ya.